Hello, my name is TJ Wells, product advocate here at Sigma. Today I'm going to go through a new skill that I've added to my repo for Looker to Sigma. So actually I have a lot of experience with Looker. I used it for 10 years and I was even a customer of Sigma that migrated from Looker. Loved it so much that I came over to work at Sigma. But yeah, I've lots of experience with LookML, which is the code rep for Looker, and have built out a skill to migrate end-to-end LookML to data models and workbooks. So what we can do to start the migration process here is you have the skill loaded. You can do an assessment which comes with every migration skill, so it sort of goes through each workbook that you have, tells you the usage, what you should migrate, and all of that. But to do a simple migration, we can just say things like, let's migrate the retail performance overview dashboard from Looker to Sigma. Make sure you port over the RLS as well. Now I'm saying that because what's really nice about the skills I'm building out is I'm starting to port over the row level security logic in the spec. So we have this concept of user attributes, and in Looker it's access filters, and they sort of work really well together for a migration purpose. So we can sort of build out the RLS logic pretty seamlessly. So it's going to go through and sort of discover that LookML, pull it down, pull down the spec from Looker, and start converting everything into Sigma formulas, Sigma language, and then start building out our specs. So we'll let this keep going here. So we can see here it's starting the phases. So run Looker to Sigma migration, port RLS, reuse assign user attribute, plus apply a row filter to the data model, and then verify three-way RLS parity west versus west. So it already knows that, like, for my row level security in Looker, I've got the west region assigned, so it's going to make sure that it does like the full parity check with west applied. So we can see here we've got a data model ID, workbook ID. So it's created the data model, created the workbook, and it's going to go through and make sure that the row level security is applied, so that we can get a green for parity here. So it's actually smart enough using the API to make sure that the member, me, has the right value assigned for the attribute. So it could actually apply the user attribute from your legacy BI tool, in this case Looker, to all the users that exist in Sigma if you want it to. But here it's just applying it to me to make sure that we get that parity. And now it's applying the row filter to denorm the element, and now we should get a full parity for green. So we got a full parity check here, and as we can see, without even filtering for west, which I should only have access to west, I only have access to west. I've got 170.03 for the average value, order value, 250 for orders, 63.9% for gross margin, 28,000 for gross profit, 42,508 cents for net revenue. So we've got a pretty good looking match here. There might be a few things that I have to make an edit to, to make it exact, but overall, I think this is a great match. And the skills, I think, do a pretty good job letting you know where improvements are needed. And we're adding things to the spec for full coverage of the workbook every week. So the skill itself is in the Sigma-migration-skills repo. This will be added to a Sigma public repo soon, but for now it's in my personal repo, twells89. Excited for you all to check this out, and happy migrating to Sigma.